Connie Ferguson dumped Jonas-Benz into the swimming pool after they broke up. Connie Ferguson dumped Mercedes-Benz into the swimming pool. "I dumped her, she dumped my car," claims husband. Connie Ferguson is a jealousy South African actor who dumped an expensive Mercedes-Benz S400 hybrid belonging to her husband Shona Ferguson into the swimming backyard pool following a breakup. Guy Shona Ferguson is a rich Mzansi man who married Connie Ferguson for some time before breaking up over dinner at a restaurant over the weekend. He told Mzansi Stories that the incident happened on Saturday. "I must accept some responsibility. If a woman is not crazy, she doesn't love you. And I must have drove her crazy for her to have drove my car into the pool," he said. He broke up with Connie Ferguson during dinner at a restaurant after she asked for R700,000 to help start up a marketing business venture, and Shona refused because she has her own money that she doesn't want to use. "I dumped her and she dumped my car into the backyard pool," said Shona.
Yeah.